Good afternoon, sir. My name is Christian Liz Ortigero Ribo, and this is my assessment. Assessment 1. Importance of forms handling and validation. Form handling and validation are important because they keep the data entered by user accurate and secure. They help prevent wrong or incomplete information from being saved and protect website from attack like SQL injection or harmful scripts. Validation also improve user experience by giving clear feedback when user make mistakes. 2. Laravel security features. Laravel includes several built-in features to help protect applications. It automatically prevent SQL injection, uses security tokens to stop CSRF attack, and sanitize user input to block cross-site scripting. Laravel also control which data field can be changed, adding another layer of protection. 3. Creating and handling a form in Laravel. Creating and handling a form is simple. A blade template can be used for the forms, while control manage the submission. When users submit data, Laravel check if it meets certain rules, like making sure an email is valid or a name isn't empty, before saving or processing it. If something's wrong, it sends the user help for error messages. 4. Customizing error mistakes. Customizing error messages. Custom error messages make a web app feel more friendly and easy to use. Instead of showing technical or confusing messages, you can write short, clear ones that tell user exactly what to fix. This helps users correct their input faster and creates a smoother overall experience. 5. Centralized validation benefits. Keep all validation rule in one place. Make a Laravel app cleaner and easier to maintain. It helps developers avoid repeating the same rules in multiple places and keeps validation consistent throughout the application. This makes updates simpler and improve the reliability of the system. Assessment 2. 1. Role of middleware in Laravel's authentication system. Middlewares in Laravel act as a gatekeeper that filter incoming requests before they reach your application. In authentication, it checks whether a user logged in or has permission to access certain pages. For example, middleware can block an unauthorized user from viewing admin dashboard or private profile. This helps protect routes and resources from unauthorized access and keeps sensitive data secure. 2. Laravel built-in authentication system. Laravel built-in authentication system that makes user registration and login easy and secure. It handles input validation, password hashing, and session management automatically when a user logs in. Laravel generates a session token to keep track of the user activity securely. It also checks login credential and store minimal data to prevent exposure of sensitive information. Number 3. Importance of SQL injection and XSS protection. SQL injection and cross-site scripting are common security threats that can expose your users' data or damage a website. Laravel helps prevent this attack through its query builder and eloquent ORM, which automatically escape user inputs. It also cleans form data to prevent malicious script from running. This ensures that login and registration form remain safe from unauthorized manipulation or harmful script. Number 4. Creating and applying custom middleware. Custom middleware in Laravel allows developer to control access based on specific conditions such as user role. For example, the middleware can check if a user is an admin before allowing access to admin only routes. If the user does not meet the requirement, they are redirected or denied access. This provides flexibility and strength security by ensuring that only an authorized user can perform certain action. Number 5. Scalability of Laravel authentication system. Laravel authentication system can scale well as the number of user grows. It can use token-based authentication for APIs, which is more efficient for large system. Session management can also be configuring to use database Redis or external service, allowing multiple service to share user session. These features make Laravel suitable for handling high traffic and maintaining smooth performance even as the application expands. Assessment 3. Implementing the create operation in Laravel. The create operation involves displaying a form where user can input data and then saving that data to the database. Blade View handle the user interface, allowing user to enter information easily, while Laravel controller process the form submission. When the form submitted, Laravel validates the input and store it in the database if it's valid. This process combines user interaction through Blade with backend's logic for saving records securely. Number 2. Importance of database data validation and sanitization. Validation and sanitization are essential in CRUD operation because they keep the data accurate and protect against malicious input. Laravel automatically check that all data allow the required roles before it's saved, preventing issue like SQL injection or invalid data. It also sanitizes input to remove unwanted or dangerous content, ensuring the application remains secure and reliable. Implementing the READ 3. Implementing the READ operation. The READ operation retrieves and display information from the database in Laravel. A controller method is used to fetch the needed record, and Blade View present them to the user in a clean and organized way. This allows user to view stored data such as list of item, user profile of other record directly on the web page. Purpose of the update operation. The update operation allow user to edit and modify existing data in the database. When user submit a form with new Laravel validates the input to ensure it's correct before saving the changes. This process ensures that only valid and updated data replace the old information, keeping the database consistent and accurate. Number 5. Securing the delete operation. The delete operation removes data from the database, so it must be handled carefully. To prevent unauthorized or accidental deletion, Laravel use authentication, authorization check, and confirmation prompt before performing the action. The validation and middleware can also ensure that only user with proper permission can delete records, keeping the data safe and secure. Assessment 4. 1. Purpose of Google reCAPTCHA. Google reCAPTCHA helps protect web application from spam and automated bots. It ensures that a real person, not a program, is submitting a form by adding small changes like checking a box or identifying image. ReCAPTCHA adds an extra layer of security, preventing fake registration, spam comment, and malicious form submission. 2. Obtaining the registering ReCAPTCHA key. To use Google ReCAPTCHA, you need to register your website on the ReCAPTCHA admin page. ReCAPTCHA admin page to get two keys, a site key and secret key. The site key is used in your fronted form, while the secret key verifies responses on the back end. It's important to update your domain when moving from localhost to a live server. As ReCAPTCHA, check the domain name for security without updating it. The features won't work properly in production. Integrating ReCAPTCHA in a Laravel form. To integrate ReCAPTCHA in Laravel, you first install a ReCAPTCHA package using Composer, then add your site and secret keys to the env file. After that, including the ReCAPTCHA widget in your Blade form so user can complete the verification. Finally, configure your controller to check the ReCAPTCHA response before processing the form. This ensures only verified submission are accepted. 4. Validating ReCAPTCHA responses. When a form submitted, Laravel send the user ReCAPTCHA response and your secret key to Google's verification server. The secret key confirms whenever the response is valid and is user pass the challenge. If it's verified as true, Laravel proceed the forms. If it's not, the request is rejected. The secret key is crucial because it ensures the response is coming from your own website and not from fake source. 5. Customizing ReCAPTCHA error messages. Custom error messages make field ReCAPTCHA attempt easier for use to understand instead of showing generic errors. You can display a friendly messages like please verify that you're not a robot before submitting. This helps guide user to fix the issue without confusion. In Laravel, this can be handled in the controller by checking if ReCAPTCHA validation fails and returning a custom messages to the form. Ayun lang sir. Thank you po.